When you think about creating healthy meals, you might think everything is elaborate, time-consuming, and involves a lot of different ingredients. However, creating healthy meals at home can be quick, simple, and delicious. Recipes with 5 healthy ingredients or fewer are great for creating quick meals and are an easy way to use leftovers. Finding recipes that include at least 2 different food groups ensures a healthy and balanced meal for you and your family. Here are a few simple recipes to get you started. We'll start with a chicken enchilada stuffed spaghetti squash recipe. In a medium bowl, combine the spaghetti squash strands, 2 cups of shredded chicken, 1 cup of red enchilada sauce, 1 medium diced zucchini, and 1/2 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese. Add all of these ingredients to a medium bowl and stir until well mixed. Next, divide the mixture in half and place each half in one side of the spaghetti shells. After that, top each with 1/4 cup of red enchilada sauce and 1/2 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese. Place on the lower rack of the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Then, move to the upper rack, turn the broiler on high, and cook for another 2 minutes, just until the cheese begins to brown. You can season to taste with whatever you'd like. Even just a little bit of pepper tastes great. Next, let's make black bean quesadillas. You will need 1 15-ounce drained can of black beans, 1/2 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 1/4 cup of salsa, 2 peeled and pitted avocados, and whole wheat tortillas. Combine all ingredients except for the tortillas into a medium bowl and stir together until well mixed. Next, spread the mixture onto half of a tortilla and fold the other side over, pressing gently to flatten. Place in a preheated skillet with a little bit of olive oil for about 2 to 4 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. And that's it! Top with salsa, cheese, avocado, or whatever you please. Finally, let's make the last recipe: tortilla pizza with pesto, tomatoes, and feta. For this recipe, you will need 1/2 cup of pesto, 4 thinly sliced tomatoes, 1/2 cup of crumbled feta cheese, and 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves or 1 tablespoon of dry basil. Pre-cook the tortillas by placing them in the oven at 350 degrees until they are brown and crisp. Spread the pesto over the entire tortilla, then add the tomato slices, feta, and sprinkle the basil over the top. Place in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Top with cheese, cracked red pepper, or whatever seasonings you like. Interested in trying other 5-ingredient recipes? Here are some easy dishes that usually have 5 ingredients or fewer: fajitas, stir-fries, wraps, chicken, tuna, or egg salads made with low-fat ingredients, hummus, guacamole, and trail mix. You can find the recipes we created today at www.mchcp.org. The next time you're searching for a quick and healthy meal for your family, keep these fun and delicious recipe ideas in mind.